Want to turn kitchen scraps into black gold for your garden? Composting is easier than you think. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your very first compost bin from scratch, even if you've never composted before. Using compost can make your garden healthier, reduce your trash, and even cut down on harmful greenhouse gases. So let's get started. First up, bins. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. You don't need anything fancy. Pick a bin that fits your space, budget, and lifestyle. For this, I'm using a basic plastic compost bin, the kind you can pick up at most garden centers. Now, your bin needs a good home. Choose a dry, shady spot with good drainage. If you're using an outdoor bin, place it somewhere convenient, like near your kitchen door, so it's easy to add scraps. And if you can, put your bin on bare soil. This helps worms and microbes get in and do their magic. Next up, what can you compost? Think in two groups, greens and browns. Greens are things like veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings. They provide nitrogen. Browns are dried leaves, cardboard, paper, or twigs. They give carbon. You need both for compost to break down properly. But skip meat, dairy, oily foods, and pet waste. They attract pests and just don't break down well. Now time to build your compost. Start with a layer of browns, cardboard, leaves, or twigs. Then add some greens like those kitchen scraps. Keep layering greens and browns. A good rule of thumb? Use 2 parts browns to 1 part greens. This helps prevent your compost from getting too wet or smelly. If it looks dry, add a little water. Your compost should feel like a wrung-out sponge, not soggy, not bone dry. To keep things moving, turn your compost every 1 to 2 weeks. This adds oxygen, which helps the microbes break everything down faster. A healthy compost pile will actually warm up in the center. That's a sign things are working. Just keep adding to the pile and turning it. Avoid adding too many greens at once and always top off with a layer of browns. Your compost will be ready in 2 to 6 months depending on the temperature, what you add, and how often you turn it. You'll know it's done when it's dark, crumbly, and smells like fresh earth. No big chunks, no bad odors, just pure garden goodness. Now go ahead and spread that black gold in your garden beds, mix it into potting soil, or top dress your plants. Your garden will thank you. And that's it, your beginner's guide to starting a compost bin at home. Simple, sustainable, and super satisfying. Got composting questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more green living tips.